SOLIDWORKS continues to embrace 3D printing. Checking that your part or assembly fits inside the 3D print area is the first step to a successful 3D print. SOLIDWORKS 2020 includes a comprehensive list of 3D printers with up-to-date envelope information. Quickly browse or search for your most used printers and add them to the favorites list so you can quickly access them from the drop-down menu. Selecting the face that you'd like to orient towards the substrate will show the printer's envelope and highlight geometry outside of the print area in red. Let's raise the part and then have SOLIDWORKS find a suitable orientation. SOLIDWORKS 2019 gave insights into faces that require supports, as well as striation lines based off of a user-defined layer height. With SOLIDWORKS 2020, you can now generate slices based on precise 3D geometry, rather than having to first export to a tessellated geometry format like STL. This information can be saved in the 3MF format, an open-source XML-based format designed specifically for modern additive manufacturing. It not only stores the 3D geometric data, but also stores material, color, textures, 2D slice data, and more. If you don't have fabrication resources available in-house, try 3D Experience Marketplace Make, where you can get quotes from hundreds of qualified service providers and several different manufacturing processes at the click of a button. You simply upload your design, optimize it live, choose your manufacturer, and receive your custom parts. With all of these new 3D printing enhancements, SOLIDWORKS 2020 is making it even easier to go from design to prototype to manufacture.